Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some case study question in the chapter business service. The first question, a company has undertaken a fire insurance policy for rupees 5 lakh. After the 2 months due to the fire incurred a to loss of 2 lakh. How much amount will the company get as a compensation? The answer is 2 lakh due to the principle of indemnity. The next, why is life insurance considered as a contract of assure? The answer for this question is the assure means the security for compensation under the contract of insurance, and the compensation is paid by the insurer or happening of the event. For example, in case of fire insurance, the compensation is given only when the insured suffer a loss due to the fire. But in case of life insurance, the compensation is paid in respective of happening of an event. In life insurance, the compensation is paid either on the death or the expiry of the specific time period, whichever comes earlier. Since the payment of compensation is assured by the insurance company, that is why the contract of life insurance is considered as a contract of assure. The next question, why are bank called debitor as well as creditor? The answer for this question is debtor is a person who owns some amount of money to a person, and creditor is a person who has taken money from a person to whom the persons own money. So bank own money to their deposits, that is why bank is called debitor. On the other hand, bank grant loan also. All those who have taken loan owns money to bank, that is why the bank also called creditor. And bank is debitor of its debitor, creditor or its loan holder. The next question, a company took fire insurance policy for rupees 5 lakh. After the 3 months due to the fire, insured suffer a loss of 2 lakh. How much money will company get compensation and why? The answer for this question, the company will get 2 lakh as per principle of indemnity, because the purpose of insurance is to put back the insured in the same financial positions as he was before loss, and the insurance is not the contract of the making profit. Next question, Mr. Rajiv took a insurance policy against his car. After the 3 months he sold it Mr. Kailash. The car was stolen from outside of Mr. Kailash's house. Mr. Rajiv made a claim to insurance company. His claim was rejected on the ground that Mr. Rajiv was no longer owner of the car, so he had no insurance interest and he had no financial loss with the loss of the car. The first question, what does principle of insurable interest state? Question number B, was Mr. Rajiv right is making claim? C, who should get the compensation? The first answer of this question, what does the principle of insurable interest state? The principle of state that the insured must have the insurable interest in the subject matter of the insurable company, and there is no insurable interest in this case study. Now question number B, was Mr. Rajiv right making claim? No, because he was already sold the car. And the sixth question, who should get the compensation? Kailash has interest in the car, so he should file the claim. Thank you.